So children, today we will discuss about the equation of circle. Equation of circle. Before studying about the equation of circle, children, I want to remind you in straight lines, I told you the distance between the 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the distance between 2 points formula I gave, children? Anyone of you remember? The distance between 2 points is given by anyone? Anyone? D is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I hope you remember, children, in straight lines. In straight lines, the distance between 2 points is given by this formula. Do you all remember, children, how we derived this? Anyway, small derivation I will show. Please see here, children, all of you. Imagine this is x1, y1. Imagine this is x2, y2, 2 points. The distance between 2 points. Okay. If I drop like this, if I drop like this, if I drop like this, children, from here to here, x1, from here to here, x2. Can anyone tell what is only this distance? Only this distance, can anyone tell? Till here, x2. Till here, x1. I want only this distance. Can anyone help me? x2 minus x1. From here to here, y1. From here to here, y2. Can anyone tell what is only this distance?
y2 minus y1.
y2 minus y1. Okay, children, I hope you are not able to understand. Slowly I will say, children, see here, all of you, please try to understand, children. This is coordinate axis. Imagine this is x1, y1. Imagine this is x2, y2. Okay. Please see here, children. Point till here is x1. Point till here is x2. Children, this is x1. This is x2. Can anyone say what will be the distance between x2 and x1? Difference. x2 minus x1. Same, this will write x2 minus x1. In the same way, this is y1 till here. And till here, this is y2. And the distance is y2 minus y1. I want this distance. Since it is 90 degrees, we applied Pythagoras theorem. If ever you remember, we applied Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If I remove this square, the root has come. We have done so many numericals also basing on this. I hope you forgot all these things. I think you forgot. So children, so the distance between the 2 points is given by formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square in straight lines. But today I am going to discuss the equation of a circle. Equation of a circle. Children, the center of circle is given by h comma k. Then center of the circle is given by h comma k, and coordinates on the coordinates on this is given by x comma y. Okay, children. And if I want to find out the radius, children, from here to here, we know this is radius. Okay, if I want to find the distance between 2 points, same formula I will use, but here, how? Same, children. R is equal to under root of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Okay, children, this is the equation of the circle when center is given. This is equation of circle. From where did I got this formula? From the distance formula which we use in straight lines. This is the straight lines distance. This is the equation of circle. Equation of circle formula. This is radius, children. This is radius. The radius is given by under root of x minus h, y2, x2 minus x1, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. This is the equation of the circle. I hope you all understood, children, from where we got this formula. Okay, now numericals. How the numericals will be there? One question I will show you, children. Find equation of circle whose radius is 2 meters, whose radius is 2 units. Let us say 2 units, and coordinates are 3, 4. Okay, children. Centers. The coordinates of the center are 3, 4. Coordinates of the center are 3, 4. Okay, children. So this is h, this is k. Try to understand. Now substitute in this, children, radius. What is radius, children? Anyone? 2 is equal to under root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Try to understand. Radius I only gave 2. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. 1 second, be online, children. Children, I have given the radius, I have given center. I have given the radius, I have given the center. You have to find the equation of circle. So children, if root comes here, it will become 4. 4 is equal to, root comes here, it becomes square. If root comes here, it becomes square. X minus 3 whole square, x square plus 9 minus 6x. Again, y square plus 4 4 is 16 minus 8k. Okay, children. So what is the final equation of the circle? Equation of circle turns out to be x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 minus 4 is 21. 21 is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. Means with this equation, we can draw the circles in the graph. Okay, those who did not understand, one more sum. If radius is equal to 3 and the center coordinates are given as 4, 5. If radius is 3 and center coordinates are given by 4, 5, what is the equation of circle? Yashika, will you try?
Yes, sir.
In this formula, r is given how much?
R is given as 3 is
under
equal
root of
to under root of x minus 4
whole square
plus y minus 5 whole square.
If root comes here, it becomes square.
Oh, square. So
3 square is equal to can you expand x minus 4 whole square?
Yes, sir. X square
plus
4 square.
4 square minus 2 4 is 8. 8 into x, 8x.
8
Again, y square
plus y square
plus 25 means 5 square.
5
minus
square
2 5 is 10,
10.
So x square plus y square minus 8x minus 10y. 16 plus 25 is how much? 16 plus 25? 41. 41 minus 9 is?
So 41 minus 9 is
32. This is the equation of the circle. This is the equation of circle. One more sum, children, those who did not understand. Radius is equal to 4 and center coordinates are given by 5, 6. Okay, Srigari, can you tell how to do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please mute your audio.
Radius.
Lot of disturbance is there. Yeah, children. Nikita, can you please tell?
Yes, sir.
4 is equal to
4 is equal to root
of
under root of x minus 5
whole
square
plus y minus 6
whole square.
Okay, root comes here. 16
is equal to x square minus 25
minus 10x y square. Please. No, mute your audio. So much disturbance. I don't know why. Okay, y 6 square is 36, children, minus 12y. So children, what is the answer? X square plus y square minus 10x minus 12y. 25 plus 36 is how much, children? 61. 61 minus 16, children. So 61 minus 16, if you do, how much is you're getting, children? 45. Plus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, children, I hope you are able to understand. So children, if radius is given and the center coordinates are given, you should be in a position to find the equation of the circle, children. Okay, Sahasra, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Radius is given as 5. The coordinates of the center of the circle is given as 6, 7. Can you help me in substituting this formula?
Yes, sir. 5 is equal to
under root of
square under the root of x minus 6 to the whole square plus y minus 7 to the whole square.
Root comes here.
25.
25 is equal
to x square plus 36 minus 12x.
Okay.
Plus y square plus 49 minus 14y.
Okay. So what is the answer? X
So
square
x
plus y
square
square
plus y square minus 12x plus
minus 14y.
minus 14y.
36 plus 49 is 85. 85 minus 25 is 60.
60.
This is the equation
So
of the circle.
yes.
Okay, so children, I hope you all understood how is the equation of circle derived. Okay, this is the formula of distance in straight lines. This distance I kept as r, and x to x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square, where h and k are the coordinates of the center of the circle. If you use this equation, we can draw circles in the graph. This is used for straight lines. These are used in circles, children. Okay, like that you can do so many numericals. Children, in the description of this video, I will give numericals. You try to solve them and try to get the equation of the circles. You have to practice like this only, children. Okay, I'll give you so many sums in the description. Please see them and practice them, children. This is the formula. What is the formula? R is equal to under root of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. D became R, x1 became h, k became x by 2. H and k are the coordinates of center. X and y are the coordinates of the perimeter of the circle. This is how you are going to do the numericals, children. I hope you all understood. Anyone have any doubts, children?